What if I told you that saving for a house deposit could be as simple as adding a little bit of spice to your life? I'm not talking about cinnamon or paprika, I'm talking about nutmeg. Not the spice itself, of course, but the investment platform that's helping thousands of people turn their dreams of homeownership into reality. Saving for a house deposit is one of the biggest financial challenges many of us will ever face. The numbers can feel intimidating, the goalposts seem to keep moving, and the temptation to dip into your savings for a holiday or a new gadget is always there. It can feel like an impossible mountain to climb. But what if there was a smarter, more efficient way to save? A way that not only helps your money grow but also keeps it a safe distance from your everyday spending habits? That's where Nutmeg comes in. Nutmeg is a digital wealth manager that takes the guesswork out of investing. Instead of leaving your money in a standard savings account where it might be slowly eroded by inflation, Nutmeg puts it to work for you. They build and manage a portfolio of investments tailored to your financial goals and risk tolerance. It's like having a team of financial experts working for you 24/7. Here's how it works. You sign up, tell them what you're saving for, in this case, a house deposit, and when you need the money. Nutmeg then recommends a suitable investment style, from a cautious approach with a focus on stability to a more adventurous one with the potential for higher returns. You can start with as little as £500 and set up a monthly direct debit to regularly top up your fund. This is a crucial step. By automating your savings, you're making a commitment to your goal and removing the temptation to spend the money elsewhere. But the real magic of using Nutmeg for your house deposit is the power of compound returns. While a traditional savings account offers minimal interest, your money with Nutmeg is invested in a diverse range of assets like stocks and bonds. As these investments grow, the returns they generate are reinvested, leading to a snowball effect. Your money starts earning money, and then that new money starts earning money too. Over a few years, this can make a significant difference to your total savings pot, bringing you closer to that dream home much faster than you might have thought possible. Plus, Nutmeg is flexible. Life happens. If you need to pause your contributions or even withdraw some funds, you can. The platform is designed to be transparent and user-friendly, giving you a clear view of your portfolio's performance whenever you like. Saving for a house deposit doesn't have to be a slow, painful process. By using a smart, automated investment platform like Nutmeg, you can put your money to work and get to your goal faster. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.